Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Vectic, and I'm so sorry. I haven't been posting for a long while. But anywho, none of that shit concerns me now. I'm back. You're back. We are back. The Vectic Squad. Okay, maybe I should think of a new name for that. Anywho. Now let me just show you something real quick, and it's very annoying that I have to show you guys before you take corrections, but yeah, let me just show you something real. Look at this. What do you see? This is my YouTube channel.
Oh my god!
Look at this. 555 views, 126 subscribers.
Oh, hell no!
What the fuck is happening? Y'all supposed to be my fam, my homies, my bros, my niggas, my bitches. Okay, maybe not bitches, but y'all supposed to be my crew, my squad. What the fuck is happening, man? Shit. Call me Drastic, 170 subscribers. The any 110 subscribers. Okay, now that I've fuck.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that I've expressed my discontent with you guys and with the channel not growing and shit in my, how will I put it, hiatus, now it's time to move on with the video to the end. Stay tuned. Okay guys, just gotta remove this real quick. I'll show you guys my new dance moves, my new skills.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch.
Okay, I know guys, I'm really terrible, but there's something I'm really proud of, and you might want to see this. Okay guys, this is what I'm really proud of. Hit the music. Yeah, I knew you guys would like that, but oh shit. Yeah, I better move that before my mom comes, and yeah, I get a lot of spacking. New word. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. Shit. This is not fun to track, people. Guess what? Those days in the gym didn't help me at all. Even though I didn't really go to the gym, I'm gonna show you what I used to work out. You see me now? Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I used to work out. But first, let me move this. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is what I used to work out. Machine, the beautiful machine. Wow. By the way, these guys, 2 on one hand, they're really hard to handle if you reach 100. So I recommend that if you want to give yourself some pain and you want to lose all this fat and turn it into muscle. But guys, seriously though, this shit really ain't funny. Nigga, what the fuck is this? 2 days ago 52 views, 4 days ago 83 views, 1 month ago 47 views. Well, I can manage that. Okay, let's check. Overall view Caps. Ooh, merch coming out soon. I like that. What the fuck? 200? Oh wait. Whoa. Are you guys seeing this? The nigga got 2,276 views. Shit. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of cash. Even though he ain't monetized yet.
I am the way your son don't.
1 month can be God knows how many fucking views I get on my channel. While this nigga right here is on 2,000. Well guys, I guess we've reached the end of the video. It's been your boy KSI Legit BT, and I'll see you later. Peace.